Hey yo, what's good, y'all? It's your boy Bobby. Welcome back to Bobby Sneaker World. Hey, I'm doing things a little bit different today. It's been a long time since done an in-car vlog. You know what I'm saying? Take you guys with me a little bit on the trip. Jay's here with me. Gonna go pick up these. Hey, if you're new around here and that big button down below is still red, you're doing it all wrong. Subscribe to the channel, join the movement. I'm trying to do my best at being consistent. It's tough when you halfway out of the game. It's hard to constantly push content, but I'm trying my best. I'm doing my best, so bear with me if you're new. Hey, and I want to thank all of my new subscribers, man. There's been a few new subscribers, and I'm thankful for that. I'm thankful for them more than even the people that have been around the longest, because I've been off for almost a year. So for somebody to watch the 2 videos that I did upload and be like, yo, I'm about to join that movement, I'm about to see what this is, see what's to it, you know what I'm saying? See if this is something that I like. So I appreciate you guys. If you're new, if you haven't subscribed yet, consider it. So anyway, talk a little bit about this release, the flu games. I did not hit initially on Foot Locker or Champs here locally, so that was a little bit, wasn't what I expected. I don't know if this is going to be like the Metallic 5 release where everybody's lined up in the malls, different things like that. At my age, you will not, I promise you, you will not see me in anybody's line waiting for a sneaker anymore. I'm past that point in my life. If I don't reserve a pair on a raffle win, it's on to the next release, man. There's too many sneakers that come out these days. I'm not that vested anymore. I'm not that invested in the game like I used to. I still love sneakers, but for the most part, I'm gonna be loving them from a distance. Sorry about the little Blair Witch effect you're gonna get on this video from the mount. But I'm not that vested. So if I hit on a raffle release, then I'll go pick it up if it's something I really want. If I don't, it's on to the next one. DTLR came through at the last minute. I hit on JD Sports as well on the little early reserve thing, but it wasn't for my size. When I got in there, size 11 was gone already, so I got a size 9. But then late, day before release, whenever DTLR sends out their winners notification text messages at like 6:15 p.m., I got a text saying that I was a winner for a size 11 at DTLR. So that's what we're going to do today. We're going to pick up those 2 pairs. I'll get as much footage as I can, but you know, I don't really want to be vlogging around through the mall too much, holding my camera in front of my face today. Really ain't in the mood, but we shall see. We're about to get out here in this Texas traffic, and I don't know. Let me know in the comment section down below, was this a cop for y'all? Was this a pass? Jay says she doesn't even like 12s at all.
I hate them.
She doesn't even like the silhouette. So it might be I might end up flipping these. I'm just gonna be completely transparent. I might, at the 9 obviously I am, and the 11, my personal size, might also be a flip, because my personal favorite, my personal favorite is nostalgic, for nostalgic reasons. It's the cherries, and I got those the last retro. And then my second favorite might be the, what is it? The taxis, which also released in 2025, I think in November. So that might be the 2 that I pick up, the cherries and the, we already had the cherries, and then the taxis. The flu games, yes, the backstory, whether it's accurate, inaccurate, exactly what was going on with Mike during that game. Nike is the ultimate marketing. It's just a marketing juggernaut. That's why it's 20 plus years since Mike dribbled a basketball that we're still lining up for his sneakers. marketing, nostalgic. We didn't have the money when we were kids to get all of these mics that we love. We seen other kids with different things like that. Now we're old enough to be able to, you know what I'm saying, got our own jobs, got our own money, buy stuff for ourselves, buy stuff for our kids or our wives, whatever. So still got us lining up, still got us stressed out. Well, not me, maybe some of y'all stressed out about these releases and not being able to hit on different things. And is this limited? What's the stock numbers and paying resale, which I'll never do. But gotta love Nike for that, man. That's why they are who they are. But we're gonna see. I don't know what the lines are gonna be like if we're not going early. So some places did first come first serve. So a lot of places raffle their pairs off. So it's kind of dangerous. It's still kind of dangerous, as you can see with the Metallic 5 release, to do first come first serve. It doesn't mean that sneakers are back and popular just because people are hurting each other, shooting at each other, and robbing each other and doing all that foolishness. It just means people are foolish. So I just think it's dangerous. Just do the best releases possible, the safest way possible for these releases. Just do raffles or however you want to do it. Yeah, that opens the sneaker back door, but hey, people got to be more comfortable missing out on pairs. That's what the issue is. Like, don't be so, I gotta have this, I gotta have that. Don't stress yourself out about this rubber and leather. So, like I said, I'm gonna go pick these up. I ain't gonna drag y'all too long down this, me talking. I just wanted to kind of get this little opening vlog action going, because I don't know if you're gonna see my face the rest of the video. That might be a good thing though, because I might just little POV action in the mall. So I appreciate y'all once again for joining me, watching another one of my videos. Subscribe if you see fit, and we'll see when we get back to the house. We'll see when we get to the mall, but we'll do a little mini review when we get back to the house. All right, we done made it into the parking garage, at least with a few minutes to spare to walk in. Ooh, Vasas das. You know what I'm saying? Let's make it into the mall. See if we can make it to JD Sports with enough time to pick up this pair. So I guess I came in on the wrong side of the mall. Guy just told me it's on the opposite end of the mall on the 3rd floor. Mall kind of busy. You know what I'm saying? Down here in Dallas, some of these malls we've been to, there ain't been no movement. But it's tax time now. You know what I'm saying? People outside. I like it though. You know what I'm saying? I like the people getting out of the house and starting to warm up a little bit. But I am not a fan in my old age of big crowds anymore. So we'll see. Hopefully I can get in and out of here and back to the house. See what we got going on in the middle of the mall. Pretty cool, man. See it off in the distance. And look what we have here. Got a line forming. Look like for extra pairs at 5. Hopefully, I'm good to go. Downtown locker room. No line. Can I look at them?
I don't know if there's more.
Damn, they got it wrapped like a burrito.
Oh, burrito sounds good.
I know, right? All right, y'all, we done made it to the end of the video. I'm not doing a review or anything like that. Kind of just gonna go over what we picked up. Can't wait to get a new camera. But for anybody that's looking and cares and needs this information, there's a size label. This is the personal pair. And I always like to show size labels in the videos because I know personally that I have so many sneakers, especially like Jordan 1s, where I keep all my boxes. So if I ever wanted to sell something or trade something or whatever, and I got all my boxes piled up, I can't remember what the label exactly read. We might call it bread toes, we might call it this, and it might not be labeled that on the box. So I'll go back to people's YouTube videos or my own YouTube videos and like, what did the label read? And I know other people do it for like, you know, authenticity and different things like that purposes, but it's also like those little things help sometimes. You don't know who you're helping and how you're helping and just by showing the label. But anyway, this is the box, old school box, touch hand. And this is, I don't know what the quality looks like on this phone in the dark, but this is going to be your black and red 12, your flu game, whatever you want to call it. Hopefully it's coming through with some decent quality. I'm not going to do a review like I said, but I don't know if I want to keep these or not. I did bring these out because these are the ones that I wanted, and I bought these because of nostalgic purpose. I've already worn them a couple times. Remember having these when they originally released, old head, and I had to have these back in the collection. So now that I have these, and I'm probably gonna go for the taxis, do I really need these? I don't know. But they are, I'm not gonna act like they're trash or anything like that. They're fire. But do I need them? Ovi!
Whose world is this?
Taking over, hit the landscape of the kicks and copping any bricks. Or fire you desire, my rock and maybe flip. It's easy, you never trip, get them early, I never miss no bot. But if they hot, make it to the court, they count. Now welcome to Bobby Sneaker World. Sneaker World, yeah, Bobby Sneaker World, Sneaker World, Sneaker World.